What am I gonna do with you? You have been so good to me.
Yeah, she has. You got a lot of trucks now, bro.
I know I do. And that's why I'm sitting here making a decision, all right?
What are you gonna do with her?
Thinking about selling it.
Selling it?
Yes, selling it, all right?
Bro. Why would you do that?
Because I don't need it anymore, man. I got this new truck. I got the 2 Duramaxes. They're freaking powerhouse. This thing is just, it just looks sexy, you know?
Yeah, it does. Dude, I got an idea.
What?
Why don't you give it away to one of the fans?
I didn't think about that. Do you remember when we first got this thing, before it was lifted, before it looked sexy and everything, and that old lady hit us?
Oh yeah.
You remember that? We drove it all the way back to Kentucky. We bought it here in Colorado. We drove it all the way back to Kentucky. We were living in Antarctica, and that old lady freaking hit us the first week owning it. Remember that?
Yeah, that was I couldn't believe that happened.
What a memory.
Freaking A.
It's all right, man.
Get old.
Do you remember when we got it lifted for the first time? You remember that?
Oh my gosh.
We had different wheels and tires on it. I think we lifted it first, and then we went with the roof rack. It started all coming together. We had this idea of the Burban Truck.
Yeah.
Started putting bumpers on, stuff like that. Man, that was a fun time, man. Man, that makes me miss Antarctica. So got the 54-inch LED double dual freaking, little thing or light bar thing. It's a 7.5-inch rough country freaking lift. Well, I know that. Holy shit, man! Freaking serious? Do you remember when we brought it back to Colorado and we freaking wrapped it? We wrapped it in the sexy Confederate camo with the Outlaw logos and everything. You remember that?
Oh man,
that was sexy. That was freaking sick. That's what brought it all together, baby. Oh my goodness. Holy crap, that looks good. YouTube.com/outlaw. You know, the greatest channel of all the time. I'm so freaking happy with this, baby. God, and then we stripped her naked. And then we took the wrap off because, well, it was fading and stuff like that. It's been on. It had its good glory days with the wrap and everything like that. And then we stripped the guy off, and now she's just looking naked. It's time. Looking pretty sick, black boy. Oh boy, we had some good memories with this Burban truck, man. My 2010 Chevy Suburban. Bought it with like 25,000 miles onto it. In-law and I put over 100,000 miles on it in 1 year. Right now I think it's running about 150,000 or so miles. This thing has been super good to us, man. I love this freaking truck, dude. I love this thing. It looks good. Like I said before, we put new wheels and tires on it. We got the fuel, I forget what these are called, but then we put the Nitto mud grapplers on there. Just gives it a beastier look. We got a full-size spare up there. We put the new rough country light bar on there. We got the Fab 4 bumpers. Dude, oh, I'm gonna miss this thing. Oh, but I think it's time. I think it's time, mother truckers. I think it's time.
Time for what?
That's it. It's time to give it away to one of you. I don't know where I was going. I just felt like that was dramatic. Is that right, or?
Yeah.
So here's what we're gonna do, mother truckers. Here is what we're gonna do. I've been thinking about this for months, and finally, today is the day to finally freaking announce it. It's September 1st today, okay? I have decided I definitely 100% want to give this away to one of you mother truckers out there. Now, there's got to be some type of stipulation. There's got to be some way I can get your information so that one of you can win it. So what we decided to do is we are coming out with Shirt of the Month. on outlawmerch.com. What does that mean? Every single month, we are coming out with a brand new t-shirt that is only going to be available for the 30 days of that month. So if you sign up every single month, you get a new Outlaw shirt. And not only that, usually a shirt costs you 20-something or whatever on outlawmerch.com. To sign up for shirt of the month, it's only 15 bucks, bro. 15 bucks, less than the price of a t-shirt. You get a shirt every gosh dang month. All you gotta do is sign up on outlawmerch.com for shirt of the month. What am I doing, in-law? I'm not even wearing the shirt of the month. I gotta freaking change. Bam! The Lawn Ranger. How about that sexy son of a dick, dude? There's the very first shirt of the month right there. That is me as the Lawn Ranger on my beautiful freaking bad boy mower. That's right. And for all you lawnmowers out there, dude, you guys should be the Lawn Ranger too. So this is the very first shirt of the month, the Lawn Ranger. This is Outlaw over there, black and orange. This is actually October's shirt of the month. So if you guys sign up now on outlawmerch.com, you automatically have the chance to win the Burban Truck. And first week of October is when all of the shirts will start being sent out. And then as far as all the other months go, same thing goes with them as well. So this is October shirt of the month, and then November we'll have a shirt of the month, and then December we'll have a shirt of the month, and then we're gonna keep on going. But it all starts right now, and it goes until the end of the year. December 31st is the cutoff date, and once everybody has signed up for shirt of the month, we will be checking and we'll be picking someone at random who has signed up. The very first week of the new year, 2020, we will be picking the winner of this beautiful bourbon. All you gotta do is click that link in the description box, outlawmerch.com. Click on the shirt of the month tab. I will also have the actual direct link in the description box. Click on that, sign up for shirt of the month. Like I said, it's only 15 bucks. Every month you get a new gosh dang shirt. So it's a cool new thing we're doing on the website over there. And the best part about it is you get a chance to win this sexy son of a dick. I know it's a little dusty and dirty right now, but don't worry, we're gonna be making it look real nice before you guys get it. But before I go any further, I want to give you guys a little bit of a walk around on everything that we've done, a little memory lane type of deal. So this is a 2010 Chevy Suburban. This is the Z71 package, right? So it had the upgraded suspension. It's got some carbon fiber stuff inside and black leather, stuff like that. So when you come in, it's got all the usual. I still got to clean it out, but it's got the black leather. It's got rear heated seats. It's actually a pretty nice package. We have the third row, which I will add in the back, but right now we just have the WeatherTech back there. Yeah, we just got the WeatherTech. It also does come with the subs and the nice system that I put in here. Yeah, boy. So I've actually done quite a bit of work to this truck. Like I said, Fab 4 bumpers. We got the shackles on here. It's got the towing package. It's got the automatic tailgate. It's a Z71 package. We got Anzo lights all the way around. All the Chevy logos are blacked out. We've got catback exhaust, cowboy tips out the back. Or cowboy style, excuse me. Black leather interior. We got WeatherTech all around. Oh, gosh dang. We've got the new Kenwood in here. You know what, man? I'm gonna gosh dang miss this thing. It has got the 7.5-inch rough country lift on it. So it's lifted pretty nice. Like we said, we got the fuel, I forget what these things are called, fuel wheels. Actually, these are the fuel crushes, the fuel crush wheels, which they don't even make anymore. We've got the Nitto Mud Grappler tires on there, which still have a lot of great tread left. Like I said, we've got the Fab 4 roof rack on top with the full-size spare, rough country blacked out 54-inch curved light bar. Anzo headlights in the front. We got the fog lights. We got the 12,000-pound worn winch through the bumper. Shackles, of course. You can't get any better than this. This could be a daily driver for somebody. It's got the 5.3 Vortec in there. It's got a cold air intake. Not much is done to the engine or anything like that. And like I said in the past couple videos, myself and Dang just put the new 6L80 transmission in there. So everything should be set to go for you guys. I'm gonna be taking very good care of this thing until the end of the year when it's gonna go to one of you in 2020. Son of a bitch, shut up already! Can't freaking stop fighting these planes, man. I have to call the airport and complain. Yeah, can you guys do something about these planes over my house? What? Hello? Freaking hung up on me. Now, I've got one more question for you mother truckers out there. This is your truck. This is gonna be one of y'all's truck out there, right? This is one of y'all's Burban's truck, man. It's been in so many of my vidges, and it's gonna go to one of you. Now, like I said, we did tear the wrap off there. My question to you is shall I wrap this thing one more time before I give it away to you? I was thinking maybe like a cool Outlaw dip wrap or something like that, with having all the cans on there and stuff like that, which, by the way, we have some very, very important Outlaw dip news coming soon. Do they just ever? I gotta kick something, man. Do we wrap it? Do we wrap it before I give it away to one of you? And if we do, it's up to y'all. So you guys let me know in the comments below what you guys would like to see done on this as far as a wrap, because I don't have any problem paying for a nice sweet wrap before it gets sent to one of you guys. And I don't know if I mentioned this, but these are 35-inch tires, 12.5-inch wide, 20-inch wheels, just so you guys know for spec, man. God, I'm gonna miss this gosh dang thing. You gonna miss it, in-law?
Yeah.
Oh, dude, it's been such a beautiful truck, man. I've never had any big issues with it, like ever, except the transmission. That was like the first ever big thing that ever happened. It's just been such a fun thing, and it's a cool, fun thing to drive as well, so. And you know what, being lifted and everything, being a Suburban heavy and stuff, I've got dual steering stabilizers. It's not too crazy on the road, man. It's actually really comfy. It's not loud. It's a fun freaking truck. So yeah, I got 2 Duramaxes now. The Colorado's gonna be my new daily driver. That thing's gonna be super fun. It's kind of a new chapter. And giving this thing away, man, it's gonna be a sad day, but I'm super excited that it's gonna go to one of you guys. Like I said, the only thing you gotta do, click that link in the description box, outlawmerch.com. Oh, excuse me. Freaking let the demons out of me. Sign up for shirt of the month. The very first one is the Lawn Ranger. I'm wearing In-Laws, so if it looks big on me and I look fat, it's because I'm wearing an In-Laws shirt because mine's in the wash, so I apologize. And you guys know In-Laws really fat, so it's like a dress on me, but whatever.
Shut up, man.
You shut up. You shut up.
No, you shut up.
No, you shut the freaking hell up.
No, you shut up.
No, you shut. Do you want me to freaking kick you?
Bro?
I'll kick you.
I'll cart kick you.
Car kick?
Yeah.
Alright, I can't wait to see all you mother truckers start signing up for the shirt of the month. And I guess, oh my gosh, dude. They don't stop. I can't wait to see all y'all signing up for shirt of the month and to see who's gonna win this bad boy. And don't forget to comment below and tell me what kind of wrap you guys would like to see on this thing, or if you just want me to keep it black, I don't know. Let me know. Let me know. Get signed up, man. We'll see you on the dip side. My name's Outlaw with a mouth. Y'all, hope you guys enjoyed this little trip down memory lane. 25-8-366, no matter what you're doing. Keep it freaking hillbilly.
Backwoods badass. That is what they call me. O-U-T-L-A-W. That is what they call me. King of the woods, hit to the stairs. That is what they call me.